One function that you'll see probably more than any other in Python is the print function. At its simplest, if we put a message in quotes and run this program, the message is printed in the run box. We could print two messages. Notice that Python automatically goes to the next line after printing my message, but we can change that behavior with an argument to the print function. An argument is a bit of information that we give to a function to help it do its job. In this case, we gave the print function one argument, which was the message we wanted printed. We can give it another argument called end that tells the print function what we want to do after printing my message. If we simply put a pair of quotes at the end, this tells the print function that we basically don't want it to do anything. That's different from its default behavior, which is to start a new line. So now when we run the program, both messages show up on the same line. The second print function we have here does not have an end argument. So again, the default behavior would be to go to the next line after printing more message. Notice that our two messages got squished together on this line with no space in between. That's easy to fix. We can just add a space inside the quotes. In fact, we can put anything we want inside those quotes. The print function can print numbers, or even values referred to by variable names. We can print more than one value inside a single print statement. And we can even combine literal strings with variable names. We just separate everything with a comma. You can include as many arguments as you want. Notice that Python automatically puts a space between each argument that is printed. This is usually good. We like the space between is and Eric, but the space between the $sign and the 1 is a little awkward. So just like the end argument, we can add a separator argument that says we don't want any spaces. Making the separator empty takes care of the space between the $sign and the 1, but now we have some new problems. There's no space between is and Eric, and Eric and. We'll just put those in by hand. Later we'll learn that the right way to accomplish this kind of formatting is with F strings. And again, if we wanted to, we could put anything in the separator argument. And that's pretty much all there is for the print function. If I were going to turn this assignment in, I would just clean it up a little. I have 3 blank spaces here, so I'll remove that. And I never use this variable mynum, so I'll remove that line as well. And that gives me the green check mark that tells me that my code passes the style guidelines.